All right, YouTube, how's it going? So you've just got me today because Claire's up in court. She's been caught cannonballing in swimming pool again. I've told her not to do it. She keeps doing it. They tell her not to do it anyway. Hopefully this will be a lesson for her. We're really enjoying doing YouTube. We're having so much fun doing it, and we're absolutely blown away by the fact that you guys watch us, because we just mess about really. It's just a bit of fun. We decided that, you know, we like to travel about and do stuff, try and not take life seriously. I think really we just wanted something that when we're old we can look back on and think, oh, that were good, that were fun. Can you remember when you weren't as annoying as what you are now? You know, that type of thing. But one thing that we've noticed is we don't really get to chat to you, because we put these videos together and they're like packaged in such a way, I think, that goes against how YouTube runs to some degree. So I thought, well, let's have a chat, let's get to know each other. So we'd like to invite you to ask some questions. Ask whatever you want, just keep it clean, and we'll see if we can answer them. So to kick it off, I've got a question for you. So we're driving down the motorway and St Christopher threw a hazard up that said, engine failure, hazard, stop immediately. So this is a little bit concerning, so as you do, I just carried on and it went off. So when I got back home, I checked the coolant level, and the coolant level had gone down, so I've refilled it, and I ain't had a problem since. But the coolant's not gone down, so I don't know where it's gone, whether it's from this European trip or whatever, or maybe there's like a coolant thief somewhere. So if you know, or if you've got a Vauxhall Vivaro, you lucky thing, and you've had a similar problem and it led to a problem, or you found a solution, just let me know. Last thing that we want is to be on one of our fun trips for that to happen, although it would probably make for a good video. So this week's video, what are we up to? Well, this week's video, we're still in Europe. We've got a couple more of this European tour to go, and then we're finished. We are actually back in England now. Been back in England for a bit of time, and we've got some English locations already in the can. But this week we are in the Champagne region of France, and we're bimbling around there. We went to a town called Prouly, or whatever it's called. Not quite sure what it was called. It was beautiful, really nice, and we managed to swap the van for a lakeside lodge. And this lodge was fantastic. It was just amazing. So, you know, if you like that type of thing, then it's well worth the watch. We're around like a fishing lake, really quiet, really peaceful, and we had such a good time. Obviously in this video there's our little bit of craziness in there. I know some of you like it, some of you don't, but it makes me laugh, so you know, I'm gonna keep doing that type of thing. Might tone it down a little bit, but we'll see. Let me know what you think about that, actually. You know, do you enjoy that humour, or would you just prefer to see the places that we go to? Now, we're trying to be a bit different, really. There's a lot of people do van life videos really well. You know, we don't live in the van, so we don't want to be an imposter for that. We have a van. To be fair, we spend more time in the van than his house. And then, you know, like when you're working all those hours, you think, I'm only paying for this house, may as well just live in my van. There's like toilet issues for Claire. It's a big thing. So it's cracking the flags out here. Summer's finally arrived. It's been horrible, hasn't it? It finally feels good. I've got a t-shirt on. It's a good job actually that it's warmed up, because one of the issues that we had from our European tour is that the heater on the van, not the diesel heater, the actual van heater, we had this smell coming from the air vents, and I thought, oh no, St Christopher's gonna have it. It's gonna break down, but it didn't. I think we were just burning the heater out. Anyway, this weather's changed over. Claire doesn't actually know about this. I'm hoping that I remember that it's broken before next winter, because Claire feels a cold a lot. We plan to use the van year round, and if it's cold she won't want to get in it. So, has anybody had a heater replaced on a Vauxhall Vivaro? If you did, how much did it cost? So, because we're in the summer season, it's our first summer season in the van. So we're very, very new to this, and we're trying to find us feet. And we're picking loads of different campsites out of Caravan and Motorhome Club. If you've seen our previous videos, I absolutely love it. It's fantastic. We're finding some really cool places, and we're meeting some nice people, and we're staying places that we wouldn't normally go to. This weekend, we're in the van again. It's the bank holiday weekend. So we're heading over to the North Yorkshire coast, which is one of our favourites. And we're staying in a really cool campsite. So if you see us, we are very friendly. We like to say hello to everybody. We'd love to chat to you. And you can tell us some tips. But even on here, if we don't bump into you, where are some good campsites to go to? I'll tell you the type of thing that we like. We like pubs, and we like pubs, and we like pubs, and Claire likes toilets. So if there's pubs and toilets, then let us know. But really, for me, I like a bit of scenery. I like wildlife. But I'll never get Claire wild camping, I don't think. Who knows? I've tried it, as if you've been watching this channel, you should know. Remember, it's got to be dog friendly for Pablo. So yeah, we made 1,000 subscribers. We got to 1,000 subscribers. We've only been on YouTube doing this since February this year. So it's now May, so you know, we're very grateful that it's been so fast, and that we've been able to grow our channel so fast. It's remarkable, really. I mean, we fully appreciate that we're annoying. We annoy ourselves, but life's too short. That's a good channel, by the way. We love watching them guys. But life is too short. So when we're not vanning or working, we like to watch other van life channels and travel channels, because we like to do everything. You know, we're not just stuck in this van. We do get on planes, get on boats. You know, off the top of our head, there's Life's Too Short. Our favourites are To Go Rome. They go everywhere. They're well worth a watch. Like watching By the Curb. Ellen and James, a fellow South Yorkshire folk. And then we like the big guys like King in It. And then we like the bad boys like Bold and Bankrupt, Kurt Katz, Sabbatical Tommy. I don't like to watch those three in summer that much because they make me sweat. I'd be really grateful if you could rate my driving. Think I'm a good driver, just leave me a comment. So that pretty much brings this video to an end. I've loved having a chat with you guys. It's really nice. Keep in touch. Let us know in the comments what you think to what we're doing, what we've done right, what we've done wrong, what you've liked, what you don't like. Then hopefully we can keep growing it, and we'll always remember you first 1,020 subscribers. Because, like we say, we really, really appreciate that you take the time out of your busy weeks to watch a pair of fools move themselves around the world.